Wanted to come out here and let y'all see this Storm Debbie's winds. I'm out on the back porch. You can't see. I'm aiming towards the water. Of course, you can't see it because it's nighttime, but man, it's some windy stuff going on. I know it's can't see nothing, but I'm trying to get over here to see if I can show you these trees over here going crazy. Oh, spider webs and stuff. Uh-oh, here's a big wind. The light ain't showing up too good, but I know y'all can hear it. Oh yeah, there's some wind. She's really picked up. Some serious wind going on. I know it's just some leaves blowing in the wind, but I wanted to let y'all see and hear the wind blowing. Hurricane or Tropical Storm Debbie up here in Southern Maryland. Prepper Tribe, baby. Weathering the storm.